Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change default browser in your Microsoft Edge. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, if I open my Microsoft Edge and then if I go type in address bar, for example, if I type here BBC and hit enter, you will notice that it's appear Microsoft Bing. You might be decide to make it Google. For example, even if I click here, it's appear Microsoft Bing. If I go here, type anything, it's searching Microsoft Bing. You might be want to change it to Google. For that, what you need to do, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this three dot icon and then drop down menu. You're going to find here setting. Simply click over there. In the left side, you're going to find here privacy, search and services. Simply click over there. And the right side, you're going to see many options going to appear. Scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say addresses bar and search. Simply click over there. Here you can see something says search engine used in the address bar. It's now by default is Bing. If you decide to change it to Google, Yahoo or DuckDuckGo, you can easily choose that. For example, I would like to make Google. Now if I go this plus new tab and then now if I go type here something like ABC and then I'm going to see it's now appear Google, and this is really quite interesting. Again, if I go here, type here BBC and hit enter, you will notice now it's instead of Bing bar, it's now Bing search engine appear Google search engine. So within this way you can easily change your Bing browser search engine to Google. Now let me share you something else. You might be see here is the some others also. If you decide to completely delete from your search engine, just simply click here manage search engine, and after that you're going to see all your search engines is by default installed by Microsoft Edge. If you decide to delete some of them, you can simply delete. For example, I would like to delete this Bing. Just simply click this three dot and then click here remove. For example, I would like to delete this Yahoo. Just click this three dot and click here remove and click here remove. If you have some particular pages, you can simply click this add and then you can simply type here search engine and then you can simply add it here. But I'm just keeping Google. So within this you can easily change Microsoft Edge search engine to Google. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.